Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Clash of Clans notifications. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Now this panel is going to show up. Among all of these options, select Manage Apps option. Under this page, scroll down until you find Clash of Clans. Tap on Clash of Clans game. Now scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on Clash of Clans notifications, tap on the toggle button which is right next to Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Clash of Clans notifications. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.